The night before Game Shakers. 'Twas the night before filming, and pacing on set was a young little game shaker.
What gifts will I get?
The set was decorated with tinsel and flair.
These hoes are decked!
And Benji lit up when he saw Shell was there. Cree settled in and snuggled up tight, covered in donuts.
Oh yeah, that's right.
When out from the lobby arose such a clatter, Benji dropped his eggnog on the floor with a splatter, and Cree screamed in happy delight.
I got your presents all right!
Kel passed out presents with glee, muffins for Benji and a hamburger pillow for Cree.
Thanks, Kel.
You're just the best.
Where's my present?
Here, you have the rest.
Man, you owe me rent.
Happy holidays.